and welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of fun and craft ales. If you haven't met him before, this is my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone. Afternoon, bro.
Afternoon, bro. Just would like to say, kick off today with a big thank you to our 501 subscriber. We've reached that magic number. Nick Eldridge from Kent was our 501 subscriber.
Oh, Nick.
Our 500 subscribers unnamed.
So we couldn't give anything to him, could you?
No.
There you go.
So thank you very much, Nick. Our Dog and Partridge t-shirt will be winding its way to you in about a week's time.
Ooh, lovely. Fantastic.
Right, and also today we're going to do a bit of time travelling because we're going back in time. First off, we're going to be re-reviewing a beer that I made about 2 videos ago.
Oh, right, okay. Right, okay.
That one there, Munich Fest.
Oh, hello, look at that.
Yeah, I
Munich
don't know
Fest.
if you can remember, but we was a little bit uninspired.
Oh, was it one of the uninspiring ones? bro, was it?
Uninspiring ones.
Uninspiring ones.
Now, it's been in the barrel, let me just have a quick look here, since the 31st of June.
Ooh, so, that's a while, isn't it?
It has now, yes, but I think some beers just need conditioning.
Bit of conditioning.
Bit of conditioning.
Bit of
So
conditioning.
just try it. It's really, really clear.
Oh, is this the one here?
It's really, really light.
Oh, that's sparkly, that is.
And it's got a little bit more nose to it.
Oh my, you know what? That's almost like cider. I might have said that the original time.
Just get that down in there. I reckon that's improved no end myself. There's a lot more bitterness there to it. There's a bit more roundness, flavour to it. All in all, it's not actually now a bad beer.
Quite happy with that.
What do you reckon?
That's nice. It has got a smack of cidery sort of taste to it, almost like. I know
That's
it's dry
the dry bitterness.
and the bitterness, but
Yeah.
yeah,
You remember before there was hardly any dry bitterness to it.
because it's got quite a fruity smell, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's improved no end, bro.
So if you are a bit delusional with your beer, just always remember
Leaving it.
leaving it, late condition. That's been in there like nearly what, since end of June, nearly 3 months now, isn't it?
It's perfectly acceptable like that, isn't it? Cracking.
So there you go.
There you go. Well, there you go.
I'm talking
Bit
about
of time
conditioning beers. Don't forget we've got that major event coming up around the corner, Christmas. So,
travelling. What's happening here now? You've got to think about these
so
things.
you've got to think about these things as a brewer. You've got to get cracked on with your Christmas beers, just in case, like you
Right.
need to get it conditioned.
Have you cracked on with your Christmas beers?
No.
Oh, yeah. Have you even thought about them?
Yeah, I've thought about my Christmas beers,
Okie dokie.
and I have done one today, which is a stout. I always like a bit of a stout at Christmas.
You've got to have a stand at Christmas, haven't you? It's got to be done.
It's got to be done.
Right, so that was a blast from the past then, from
That
a
was a
couple of weeks
blast
ago.
from the past.
So what's next?
We're going to go to Nelson's Revenge. We've had Nelson's Revenge before on the bar. Down there. It's down there. New low-grade box, bro.
Oh, I've got a job to do.
He's got a job there. Come on to it, man.
Oh, is that it?
Come on. This is the new logo.
Oh, is this the new Woodfordes logo
Yeah.
then?
I like it.
Oh, okay. Some designers. I actually quite like that because I'm a designer and that's quite nice and modern and fresh. But you don't, do you? No. I quite like
A bit
that.
like another famous beer that's just been gone through a bit of rebranding. I think that's a little bit.
That didn't go down well either, did it?
That's a little bit nondescript as well, really. But there you go.
No,
Everyone's their own taste.
to me that's classy. That I quite like that design. But anyway, enough about that. Let's have the beer. We've made this before.
We've had this
before.
before, yeah.
So it's a delicious classic beer. Everybody should know Woodfordes beers. Different varieties of hops. Has complex citrus and spice aromas. Malt notes from roasted barley pays homage to Admiral Nelson and his crew. A true Norfolk hero. There you go.
There you go, bro. Bit of Nelson's Revenge. We've had it before in the bar, so we know what beer is. But it's worth going back to a beer every now and again. And I'm just trying to see as well where this is going to fit in our... I've renamed it, by the way. We're not calling it the top 10 out of 10 beers now.
He hasn't consulted me about this at all. This is news to me.
I've renamed it along those that Christmas Carol, famous Christmas Carol.
Okay.
The 12 beer kits of Partridge.
Right, yes, it doesn't roll off the tongue, but I am liking it.
And I could be piling the list of the 12 beer kits of Partridge and just seeing if this one is worthy enough to get on that.
Knowing what we've tasted, now I do like Woodfordes. I'm not going to think it is.
Let's have a go then.
Let's have a go. Cheers.
Nice malty smell to it.
You know, it's a nice beer, isn't it? You can't fault it. It's a nice, proper, traditional beer.
Traditional English bitter almost.
Yeah.
There's a good, strong maltiness with a nice dryness.
It's also got that, has got that little bit of citrusy, hoppy spiciness to it. Yeah, that's nice, that. Yeah, I might take it back. Could go on the 12th, I don't know.
We'll have to consult.
Oh, that's lovely, that is. Cracking kit, that one.
Cracking kit, cracking easy kit. I don't know if that's actually as good as Wherry, personally.
Well, you've got a point. I do like Wherry as well. So, where from? Anywhere really, online.
Anywhere, any home brew shop. Even that dreaded place Wilco's has even got this in.
Yeah.
So
this is a full this is malt extract kit, isn't it?
Yeah, full 2 tins of malt extract to dissolve in boiling water and cold water and yeast, and away you go.
Beer.
There is now as well 2 bags of yeast in these kits. Ooh. I think it's because it wasn't brewing quickly enough or starting brewing quickly enough. Right. So they stuck 2 bags of yeast.
So give it a bit of a go.
Give it a bit of a go.
Right, yeah, cool. Right, well that's that one. What is it, 10 out of 10?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Well, it's a 10 out of 10 out on
of the 12 partridges of a thing that I can't even remember what he's already said. 12
beer kits of partridge.
Actually, that's quite easy, isn't it? 12 beer kits of partridge. That's all right. I like that. Okay, what's next, bro?
Next, we're going to these guys in Australia.
That'll be Cooper's, mate, then, will it?
Yep, that'll be Cooper's, mate.
Thomas Cooper, Bookmaker's Cooper's Pale Ale. And all we've got here is one of the labels, by the looks of it.
Yeah, because it's a 1 tin kit.
There you go.
So I peel the label off that 1 tin kit.
Yeah, lovely.
And the tasting, it says it here down the side there, what it should taste like.
All right, here we go. Look, American style, toffee malt flavours, citrus pine hop aromas, and charismatic bitter finish. Thick, creamy head. Anyway, so yeah, this is another just a straightforward extract kit, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
How strong is this one then, bro?
This is another thing with this kit, even though it's a 1 tin kit, but I did actually add another bag of malt extract to it, like malt extract from Mango Drax. Doesn't say.
There's no ABV on it.
I've skimmed around there and it doesn't say how strong it is or weak it is. Whether it says on mine or not,
no, it's 23 litres. That's all I can find. Tells you all the sort of like ingredients that go into it, but there's no ABV on there. Nope. So there you go.
There you go.
Right. Cheers again then, bro.
Barreled this about 4 weeks ago. So we'll have to decide whether it's good enough now or good enough to
maybe. You got a bit of gas going through that?
No, not really. It's straight through the.
Wow, that's good, that, isn't it? Wow, it's got a nice aroma. Oh, that's nice.
I'm shocked how good that actually is.
That is lovely.
That's a 1 tin kit with a bag of malt extract in it. I reckon that's better than the Nelson's Revenge.
It is. I have to say, there's nothing wrong with that Nelson's, but that's cracking.
There's a good all-round bitter sweetness to that, like it says on the label. Toffee sweetness to it.
Toffee
with a good
sweet,
fine nose.
Creamy. That is, yeah. How much is that?
Well, the 1 tin's about 15 quid. Somewhere between 12 and 15 quid. You can then add another bag of malt extract for about 4 or 5 quid.
Bargain, absolute bargain. That is.
I'm shocked how good that is.
That's a cracking beer
For a kit.
Lovely. It's getting a bit rough outside here in Lincolnshire.
I don't know if you can hear it there on roof.
Might hear it on the video, but it's raining.
Right, yeah, Tata.
Definitely a 10 out of 10.
I don't know if you'll make it on the 12 beers of Christmas.
No, because we've reviewed that many and there's so many good ones. It's going to be difficult.
Talking about good beer, our next beer from Dark Rock Brewing Company. Ooh. And this time, again, Shipyard. But this time, all grain.
Oh,
we did review Dark Rock Brewing Company, the Shipyard before, but it was a part mash kit.
Okay.
This one's a full mash kit, so big bag of grain this time to
lovely jubilee.
To cook and mash and all the rest of the business, and then boil the wort, and then
he likes me, my bro, because he knows Shipyard's one of my favourite beers.
Yeah, but yeah. Again, this has been in the keg about 4 weeks.
Does this come in any sort of packaging then, bro?
Yes, it's down there. Sorry, yes, sir.
Here we go. Look.
Here we go.
It comes in one of these babies, one of these big buckets.
With all wine kits now come in a big bucket.
It's
You
good,
can
isn't it?
reuse that bucket for putting water in, basically, feeding your plants, putting a plant in it.
If you want to put a plant in your plastic bucket. Right then.
Coming quite handy around the garden.
Shipyard combines the finest malted barley with a blend of audacious American hops. It goes on, I won't bore you, but yeah, excellent. Lovely jubilee.
This is from their replica range, obviously, because Shipyard.
At 5% ABV.
Let's give it a go.
Let's give it a go. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Oh, look at that. That's crystal clear. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Look at that, baby. Oh, it smells. It
You
smells
can
like
smell
shipyard.
them hops in there. The Sitzer and Sitcom maybe in that. I'm not quite sure, but that is
Smells like shipyard.
It does smell like shipyard.
You know what? Tastes like shipyard.
It tastes like shipyard, but I'm going to be controversial here. For the first time ever in the D&P, I reckon that's not ready. Coming soon.
Oh, controversially. Oh, you're going to leave it a bit longer.
I'm going to leave that a bit longer. I'm going to. In fact, I'm
Able
going
soon.
to. You know what I'm going to do with that bit, don't you?
You're going to leave it?
I'm going to prorogue it.
Oh,
Take me to court if you like, but I tell you, I'm proroguing it.
let's not start on politics, shall we? Right.
I reckon.
The shipyard has been prorogued.
Even though that is good beer, and it tastes a little bit
You see now,
shipyard.
I could drink that now, so I'm going to go to the Supreme Court and overrule you.
Well, I'm brewmaster, so I dare thee.
See, can't argue with, can I? Right, yeah. That's a cracking beer anyway, bro. It will be a 10 out of 10. Definitely.
Definitely. I just think it needs a little bit longer. It's been in there about 4 weeks. I reckon another couple of weeks in there, because I reckon there's.
He's going to make me wait for it, isn't he?
Yeah, just in the background, there's a little bit of like sharpness that should go within a couple
I
of
will
weeks'
agree
time.
with you. There is just a hint of that in there, yeah.
And with that other all grain kit,
You're right.
Unit Fest, taking that little bit longer
Yeah.
to condition, I think that needs a little bit longer.
I reckon that just smooth out a little bit.
Just
doesn't it?
smooth out a little
Yeah.
bit more.
Hey, it's going to be a cracking beer, that is. Definitely.
But, yeah, when we come back from our break.
Oh, break?
Well, I prorogued it.
We've got another beer, bro. Or is that it?
That's it
Oh,
today.
is that it? That's it.
Again, thank you to all our subscribers.
Oh, thank you.
And if you want to carry on watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because coming up,
Oh, what have we got next? What coming up, Barry?
we got one from a new, well, it's not new, they've been out there for a while, Brew UK, doing a crafted range, and we've got one from them called Atomic.
Oh, I've had a beer called Atomic Blonde. Do you think it'd be anything like that?
Could be, it's a blonde beer.
Oh, right, okay.
And then we've got one from the homebrew shop.
Called Older Shop.
You got it? Older Shot.
Oh, right. Oh,
Only available at their shop as well, is that Older Shop.
okay. I presume that's where they're based.
It's one of their kits.
Okie dokie. And then Tiny Rebel.
Tiny Rebel again. We've made Tiny Rebel before. Tiny Rebel Kutch. We're going to be trying that again to see if it's going to be in one of our 12 beer kits of Partridge.
There you go.
There you go.
Right.
So, if you don't want to miss that instalment, and you don't want to miss the shipyard, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, please.
And you never know, if we get to 1,000, we might be sending out another t-shirt.
Got the t-shirt. How will we afford it other than
I
that?
don't know, no expense spared here. That's about it. So
That's it.
until next time, it's goodbye from you.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.